Let's make a form in MS Excel. Type you needed data. Stop making a line like this. Instead, do this. Select all the data. Control+1. Go to Number tab. Under Category, go to Custom. Go to Type, then Delete General. Here, we're going to format the cells for our form to have uniform lines. Just type **_. Then click OK. And you're done.